So easy to dream, isn't it? It's so easy to want to be the best soccer player that ever walked the earth, or to be a super successful musician or athlete, or even just to be wealthy and financially free. But if it's so easy to dream, then why aren't all of us these things we want so badly? Why do a select small numbers of us actually end up becoming the best or becoming successful? You could say it's genetics, you could say it's luck, but I think I have the answer. And the the answer, it's cringe and it's said all the time. But the answer is mindset. And before you start zoning out, I just want you to listen. If you haven't made any progress towards something because you were lazy, I think the universe is absolutely giving. And if you actually try, and if you're actually not making excuses nor lying, you're gonna get what you want.